Hi and welcome to Cheekyricho Cooking's Cheetah's Chicken Pad Thai, a terrific, easy, economical midweek meal. We're going to be using leftover barbecue chicken here. That is 1/4 of one chicken, just an average sized chicken, and you will see how far this meal goes. It'll easily feed 4 people. The ingredients are in the recipe box below, so let's get started. We've got some Pad Thai noodles here. I've showed you how to make these from scratch in the past, but this is a quick and easy way to do it. Just get a packet and we boil them according to the packet directions. Okay, water's come to the boil now. We're just going to slip in this whole packet of the Pad Thai noodles and sink them. And cook them for 5 to 7 minutes, or according to your packet's directions. Okay, our 7 minutes are up. We are just going to drain our Pad Thai noodles, reserving a cupful of the cooking water in case we need to loosen our sauce later, and we probably will. Fish all the noodles out. No need to refresh them in cold water, and just keep them aside. This is a very fast dish. It's going to be moving quite quickly from now on, and just put those to one side. Okay, just rinse our cooking vessel out. We're going to put a little bit of peanut oil in now and just toast our peanuts, just a little, and we have chopped these up really roughly. We're going to use half in the dish and half for garnish. So just pop those in, stir fry them until they get a little bit of colour on. Be careful because they will burn at this stage, and then tip them back into a bowl that isn't going to melt. Okay, as you can see, there's quite a bit of colour on there now. Don't toast them before you cut them, because this is exposing a lot more of the surfaces to the heat. I think that's what will do it. We don't want it any hotter than that. And tip it into our glass bowl. Make sure you get them all out because they will burn. And we just wipe our rim down. A bit more peanut oil in. We're going to cook our carrots and our beans now. We want these still quite crisp. Just on a medium heat so they don't burn. Just a few minutes. Okay, we've just added our cabbage and our little tomatoes that have come off our vine. Normally you would use bean sprouts, but I don't have that. We've got half of our peanuts in there now. Toss them all around. Okay, our fish sauce can go in now. Our sweet chili sauce, use a hotter sauce if you like, but this is quite nice. Our soy sauce now, and I'm using a bit of grated palm sugar. If you don't have palm sugar, by all means use brown sugar or raw sugar. Just grate a little bit in there, probably about 20 or 30 grams. Toss that all around. You can see how far that chicken's going now, can't you? Half of our spring onions go in now. All of our noodles go in now, and just spread them all around. It's very hot. And a little bit of stock, just pour that over the top and that'll help loosen those. Give us a bit of sauce as well. Magic. And you can leave it at that if you like, but I have got some baby spinach and basil and other mixed Asian fragrant herbs here. They're going in right now to wilt down. A little bit of rocker, a little bit of basil, a little bit of everything in there. A little bit more of our noodle water, and once those vegetables have wilted down, it's already very hot, is ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed this little cooking demonstration of Cheekyricho's midweek Cheetah's Pad Thai. If you'd like to see more interesting recipes and ideas, just check out our Cheekyricho cooking channel. And don't forget to please subscribe. And do come back and visit us again soon. We have so much more to show you, and we're uploading lots of videos. And thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Now what we're going to do now is just sprinkle our remainder of our spring onions and our toasted peanuts over the top, and that is ready to eat. Thanks for watching. Okay, now we just serve this up on a big platter. Everybody can help themselves. And doesn't that look appetizing? You're sinking a few veggies into the kids. It's not too spicy, suitable for all palates. And we just sprinkle on top of that our leftover peanuts. They're nice and crunchy. And our spring onions. There you go.